What's up, guys? This is Ryan from Premium Mortgage. So if you're watching this video, you click through from the ad, and now we're going to explain to you how it is that we can help you. The three biggest things that we help realtors close deals with. Number one is credit. We know that credit kills a lot of deals. If somebody has a score that's below 580, as long as they have 10% to put down, we can help them. So the 550 to 580 range, 10%, not a problem. If somebody's got a score that's like 530, we can still help them boost their scores. It may take a little bit more time, but we have simulators and things that will help us understand what's needed to boost their scores to get them to that minimum of 580 number. If it's below a 550, chances are we would set them up with one of our credit repair specialists because they're probably going to have things that need to be removed from their credit, along with things to help them boost and build some credit. But credit's not an issue. We can help people with credit. That's probably the easiest of all the fixes. The second thing is, we can close in 21 days. Can your lender close in 21 days? We just had somebody last month, it was a VA, called up, his scores dropped. He was originally at a 640 or so, was approved by the bank. When he went to closing, his score dropped. He was somewhere in the, we'll say 600, 605. The bank said they couldn't do it. He had to call back in 6 months. Guess what? He had all of his documents ready to go. All he did was forwarded everything to us. 21 days later, he and the realtor were sitting there thanking us, saying, "Can't believe you guys got that done." That's a great way to build rapport with a realtor like we did that day. The last thing is closing costs. On average, we save our clients over $2,000 on closing costs. Why? Because we're brokers. We have outlets. We have multiple lenders that we can work with. We have multiple options for each person's unique situation. So if somebody needs lender credits, assuming they qualify, in a market where it's hard to get seller assist anymore, we have lender credits that we can give to offset the closing costs. How do we know we're saving people money? Because we have people that'll bring us their fee sheet. And we take their fee sheet with their lender or their bank and we compare it with ours. It's amazing to see the difference. So if you're looking to get more clients closed, if you're looking to save deals that for whatever reason may have fallen apart last week, last month, give us a call. We may be able to help you with those deals now. We want to make you look good, not only to your clients and customers, but also to the broker that you work with or for. So give us a call. We'll set up some sort of conversation to figure out how we can best help you. And in a matter of time, you'll see that we're worth working with. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.